Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your farm name on Heyday. If you are looking to freshen up your Heyday's farm with a brand new name, you are in the right place. First of all, open up the Heyday application on your mobile device and also make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once you're inside the game, tap on the horizontal button at the top left corner, 3 lines over here, and click on Settings. After you open up the Settings menu, click on Change Farm Name. Now enter a new name erasing the current one and then click on the tick mark in green. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your name for your farm on Heyday. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.